Yes.
Yes.
So can I say it will be automatic 1 in the denominator? Rational number cannot be a single number. It has to be in numerator and denominator. P
Yes.
upon Q. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Right.
So what is the rational numbers? We have to find 5 rational numbers. So what we will do? We will multiply with 6. Both the rational numbers will be multiplied by 6. This minus 1 into 6 and 0 upon 1 will be multiplied by 6. This will be also multiplied by 6. Now you got it? Minus
Yes.
6 upon 6 and over here 0 upon 6. So from minus 6 to 0 upon 6, you got minus 5 upon 6. Then minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, then minus 2 upon 6, and minus 1 upon 6. But 0 upon 6 to count na thai. You got your 5 rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The between 5 rational numbers. Understood the content?
Yes.
Boys, in explanation part also I explain you the same. Any doubt with this?
No.
So you can do the rest of the 3 sums, right?
Yes.
Sufyan, Sanraj.
No doubt.
See, in first sum, as we were doing upon kai nathi એટલે 1 લઈ લીધું હતું, તો in second sum also it is the same process. But while in third sum, we do have denominator, so we don't have to take any denominator anymore. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતું?
Yes.
And in this, what we have to do? We have to take LCM. We have to take LCM. LCM, for example, you would like me to do this sum, any of one, or you can do it by your own? Please tell me fast.
Sir, एक नंबर 3 और कराई दो.
આ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં મેં કરાયો હતો while explaining this chapter. Sum number 3.
Okay, sir.
આપણે 15 નો ટેબલ લીધો તો 15 પછી 30 એની કરતા 45 લેવડાવ્યું હતું, યાદ આવે તો તમને?
Yes.
3 5s are 15. 15 LCM આવ્યું હતું, but while taking 15 we were not able to get the proper answer, so we took 45, if you do remember.
Yes.
એ વાળો સમ તો મેં કરાયો હતો. ચલો, then to I am taking the same thing again. Now 15, if we take 15, okay, chalo, 15, 5 3s are, we will start with 15 only. Chalo, minus 4 will be multiplied by 3 and this 3 will be multiplied by 5 to make 15.
Yes.
Sir, kem 5 સાથે લીધું? Because our LCM is to make 15. What was our LCM?
To make
12 અને અહીંયા 15. યાદ આવે છે હવે શું આવ્યું?
Yes.
minus 10 upon 15. તો minus 10 ને minus 12 ની વચમાં શું આવે? Minus 11 upon 15. So we are getting only one number right here. We have to find how many numbers? We have to find how many numbers?
3.
3 numbers.
5.
Very good, idiot.
5.
5 rational numbers. So even 15 is not working. So 15 na table ma 15 2s are 30. Even 30 will not work. So we will go with 45. 15 3s are 45. Is that clear?
Yes,
સમજાય છે
sir.
કે નહીં? So 5 will be multiplied. 5 9s are 45. 45 બનાવવાનું છે. So 9 will be multiplied in numerator also. 3 multiplied by 15. So in numerator also 15 will be multiplied. So 4 9s are 36. Minus plus minus 36 upon 45. Okay. Over here 15 2s are 30. Minus plus minus 30 upon 45. Am I correct? Now minus 35 to minus 30. Now you calculate. Minus 35 upon 45. Then minus 33 upon 45. Then minus 32 upon 45. Then minus 31.
34.
Sorry, 34 left. 34, then 33, then 32 upon 45, and minus 31 upon 45. Understood? You got the 5 rational numbers. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Right.
સમજાણું શું કર્યું?
Right.
Yes.
So at the end you have to
Yes.
write, therefore after writing this you have to place this between 5 rational numbers. Understood?
Yes.
Chalo, we are in question number 2 now. Chalo, who will read this question fast? Nobody? Shall I close this page?
No. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns.
We have to write 4 rational numbers. The numbers are written here. We have to write 4 more rational numbers with the same pattern what is given. So Pilama recognize what is the pattern given. Numerator is minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. So all of them are having 3 gaps in numerator.
Yes.
So it will be minus 15, then minus 18, then minus 21, and minus 24. Am I correct? Now in denominator, what is the gap? 5, 10, 15, 20. So અહીંયા શું આવશે? 25, 30, 35, and 40. Are you getting what we did? Now you check out the pattern. Minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20, minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30. How is the pattern? નીચેમાં 5 નો gap છે. In every digit 5 gap. ઉપરમાં 3 નો gap છે. Minus, minus, minus. Have you got the content what we did?
Yes.
આમાં કોઈ લાંબુ calculations નથી. It is only to just check out the patterns and keep the patterns as same as it is. Okay?
Yes.
Have you got this? Have you got this? What is the smallest rational number? Minus 3. બરાબર છે?
Yes.
Minus 3 upon 5 છે. Now minus 3 upon 5 has multiplied by 2. What you got? Minus 6 upon 10.
Yes.
Then in the same way, it has multiplied by 3. You got what? Minus 9 upon 15. Then in the same way, the pattern shows that it has multiplied by 4. Sorry. It is multiplied by 4. So what you got? Minus 12 upon 20. 5 4s are 20. Are you getting? So હવે બાકીના 4 ગોતવાના છે તો 5 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું આપણે 8 સુધી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું 5 6 7 8. So અહીંયા શું આવશે? Minus 15 upon 25 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6
30.
minus 18 upon 30. Are you getting what we are doing here?
Yes.
In the same case, we have to do for all the sums. Is that clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt now?
No doubt.
No.
Okay, we are moving to question number 3. Chalo. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Question number 3. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to.
Equivalent to. So this is very easy, beta. Equivalent first four rational numbers equivalent કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે? Can I say that 7 ones are? So the first equivalent fraction is -2/7 only. Second equivalent fraction is what? Multiply by 2. So it will be -4/7. What will be third rational number which is equivalent?
7 into 3.
7 into 3. -6/21.
6/21.
-2/7. Multiply by 4.
4.
So what you got? -8/28.
28.
So you got this first 4.
Yeah.
-2/7. Therefore કરીને અહીંયા આવી રીતે બધા નંબર રેશનલ નંબર્સ લખવાના. Why? If you divide these two, you are going to get sorry અહીંયા 14 આવશે, not 7.
આ તો પેલા જેવું જ છે.
Yes, first question number 2, same thing. If you divide this, you will be getting first rational number. So it is all equal. If you divide this, you will get this rational number.
Yeah.
If you divide this, you will get again this rational number. Understood? So
Yes,
equivalent rational numbers કઈ રીતે describe કરવાના? Check out here what I am doing. You have to write therefore, then you have to describe like this. Therefore, -2/7 is equal to -4/.
સર તમારી સ્ક્રીનમાં કઈ દેખાતું નથી, તમે શું કરો છો?
દેખાય છે.
You must have pinged some other name. Sufyan, your internet connection problem, beta. Check out properly. Okay, then -6/21
21.
and -8/28.
8/28.
Understood the content what we are doing?
Yes.
This equivalent means what? Equal fraction. So we
Yeah.
wrote this is equal to this one, this is equal to this one, and all four are equal to each other.
Yes.
That's it. So you can do this by your own. Okay, boys?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 4. Who will read this?
Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it.
આપણે તમને શીખવાડ્યું છે explanation વખતે how you have to represent 3/4 on a number line. If for example this is a number line, how will you place the number lines? I mean 3/4 on a number line. If we take 0, you know that 3/4 is positive, so negative તો ખાલી નામનું જ મૂકવાનું છે આપણે.
Yes.
We have to work on what number? Positive integers.
Yes.
So now between what two numbers there will be 3/6?
3.
We have to divide 3 by 4. So it will be point. So this will be 30. 4 sevens are 28. So remainder whatever it may be, we don't care. So here so 0.7. So 0.7 will be in between two what numbers?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. So 0 and 1. So I will place 0 and 1 as a gap here. So 2 and here 3. Okay? Here is -3.
Yes.
Is my number line ready now?
Yes.
Now 0 and 3. What is in denominator?
4.
4. So for 0 and 1 ની વચમાં 4 parts હશે. 1, 2, 3 and 4 part. How? If this is 0, so it will be 0/4.
Yes.
Over here it will be 1/4,
1/4, 2/4, and 3/4.
2/4, 3/4. Why
Yeah.
you got 1 here? It will be 4/4.
Yes.
સમજાય છે? Now we have to mark out 3/4. So 3/4 આપણે માર્ક કરવાનું છે. તો I will not place 3/4 over here. એટલે ઉપર મેં અહીંયા જગ્યા નથી એટલે લખેલું છે. You have to place here only. So we have to mark 3/4 here. So we will mark 3/4 on a number line like this, as we were doing in all the standards from 5th standard, 6th standard, and at present moment rational numbers on 7th standard. Even we did fractions also in 7th standard. Fraction placing on a number line, if you do remember. Are you clear with the things, boys?
Yes.
So if it is minus, you have to go towards negative side. Understood? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, we are moving to next question, question number 5. Very simple question. No need of getting so much confused in this. Please read this question.
The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Name the rational number represented by P, Q, R, and S.
What is given here? P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B. All the things are on this number line. A, B is only the different thing. Baki P, Q, R, S, T, U, all the things are sequence, right? Now, what is the content? TR, TR kya hai? TR is this one, see. TR is equal to RS and RS, SU equal છે અને equal જ હોય. બચ્ચા પાટી કોઈ દિવસ unequal ન હોય. Are you getting? હંમેશા equal જ હોય.
Yes.
Distance on a number line is always equal. Same way, આ જેમ equal છે એકબીજા સાથે એમ AP, PQ અને QB પણ equal છે. See, it is written in the question only. હવે આપણે કરવાનું છે શું? U અને T ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે, A ને B ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે. We have to find out SR and we have to find out PQ. As simple as that. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes. No.
હવે આપણે શું ધ્યાનમાં લેવાનું? You have to take care of it 0 as a center point. હવે અહીંયા 2 ને 3 ની વચમાં કેટલો ગેપ છે? 3 નો ગેપ છે. 3
Yes.
point gap. So હંમેશા એટલું યાદ રાખવાનું, નંબર લાઈનમાં ખાલી 2 ને 3 ની વચમાં 3 નો ગેપ ને -2 ને -1 ની વચમાં 3 નો ગેપ ના હોય. 3 નો ગેપ પહેલેથી એક સરખો ચાલતો આવતો હોય. 3 નો ગેપ અહીંયા પણ હોય, 3 નો ગેપ અહીંયા પણ હોય, અહીંયા પણ 3 નો જ ગેપ હોય, અહીંયા પણ 3 નો જ ગેપ હોય. Are you getting? Number line never goes in an unsequenced manner. That means 0 થી 1 ની વચ્ચે 4 પાર્ટ હોય ચલો અને પછી 2 ને 3 ની વચ્ચે 3 પાર્ટ હોય. That is not possible. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
If the distance is written here as 3, જો 2 અહીંયા આવી ગયો, 2 પછી કેટલા પાર્ટ છે? 1, 2 and 3 સુધી પહોંચવામાં 3 પાર્ટ છે. Are you getting? So from 0 itself you will be having 3 parts in each of the different numbers. સમજાય છે? So if we start from 0, you will get 0/3. Are you getting?
Yes.
Then over here 1/3,
1/3.
2/3 અને 1 ક્યારે આવે? 3/3 હોય ત્યારે 1 આવે.
3/3 होता है. Yes.
ઓકે, ચલો 1 સુધી પહોંચી ગયા આપણે. Then 1, 2 and 3. ઓકે, ચલો. Then 4/3,
4/3,
5/3
5/3,
and
6/3.
6/3. 6/3 હશે ત્યારે 2 સુધી પહોંચ્યા આપણે.
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
સમજાય છે.
2 સુધી પહોંચવામાં 6/3 required to. So P and Q will be 7/3
Yes.
and
8/3
8/3.
and 9/3.
So over here, what will be the answer? 3 તો આપેલો જ છે 9/3 લખો કે ન લખો it's okay 3 is given only in the question.
Yes.
So what is the value of P and Q? P is equal to what? 7/3
P is equal to 7/3. Yes.
and Q is equal to 8/3. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes, સમજાવું.
In the same way, you have 3 parts in left hand side also. So minus 1/3 ક્યારે આવ્યું? અહીંયા minus હશે ત્યારે. So અહીંયા -1 આવ્યું હશે. Same way, -1 we got it. So એના પછીના કયા બે નંબર હશે? -4/3 and -5/3.
Yes.
So -6/3 will be -2. So -2 આપણે already આપેલું છે. We have to use S and R. So S is this and R is this.
Yes.
સમજાણું કે નહીં?
સમજાવું.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
Doubt.
નો સર.
Sure બચ્ચા પાટી?
સ્ક્રીનશોટ લેવાના છે સર.
હા તો લઈ લે.
સ્ક્રીનશોટ.
હા લઈ લે જલ્દી લે.
Good morning, sir.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ મોહમ્મદ અલી.
લઈ લીધું સર.
લઈ લીધું ને? ઓકે, ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 6 ચલો. Question number 6. Please read this question.
Which of the following pair represent the same rational number?
Which of the pair represent the same rational numbers? That is what the question is. Now what do we have to do? Can anyone tell me?
What, sir?
Ama 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sums are given. We have to check out which pair is having the same rational numbers. That means equal thatu hoy.
Yes. Okay.
Pelama minus 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So pelama che -1/3
Equal.
and 1/3. It is not equal.
Not equal. Not
One
equal.
is negative, this one is
Minus.
positive. Understood what we have to do here? We have to
Yes.
check out the pairs. Which one is equal, which one is not equal. See, third one, -2/3 and 2/3. What is given here? The thing is 2/3 and 2/3 cannot divide by each other. Can we? No.
No.
અહીંયા minus છે તો આ બે પ્લસ થઈ જશે. Minus got cancelled. So 2/3 will be equal to 2/3 in this. સમજાય છે?
સમજાય.
This -2/3 -2 ને 3 એકબીજા સાથે ડિવાઈડ થાય છે. In this also 2 and 3. No. But minus plus.
Minus.
In multiplication and division, what we have to read? જે બોલા એ મૂકવાનું. Minus plus. So it is plus only. So 2/3 will be plus. And 2/3 is automatically plus given here in the question itself. So
Yes,
both are
sir.
equal or not.
Equal.
Understood what we are doing?
Yes.
જ્યાં સુધી કટ થાય છે ત્યાં સુધી કટ કરવાનું. Then we have to check whether this is equal or not. So it is not equal. અહીંયા જોઈ લ્યો. 4 4s are 16. So it will be -4. 4 5s are 20. Okay, -4/5 આવ્યું પેલામાં.
Yes.
Then 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25.
And 5 5s
Now
are
4/-5 આવ્યું.
not
When
equal.
we say this is equal, beta, this -4/5 will be in between only. Even this will be set to -4/5 only. Minus નીચે હોય કે ઉપર હોય, rational numbers માં તો minus જ છે.
Yes.
So minus will be count in between only. See, it is equal.
Okay, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes. સમજાઈ ગયું.
Even this is equal, this is equal. And in the same method, you have to check out for all the rest of the sums. Am I correct?
Yes. Correct.
Anybody has any doubt? Again, I am telling, numerator માં negative હોય. ચલો, numerator માં negative છે, ઉપર નીચે divide નથી થતું. Minus plus, what you will speak? Minus plus, શું બોલાય છે?
Minus.
Minus, તો center માં minus આવી ગયું 4/5.
Yes.
ચલો. Now in this minus plus, આ પ્લસ છે અને નીચે માઇનસ છે, માઇનસ પ્લસ
Minus.
માઇનસ કોમન માં આવી ગયું.
Yes.
Now both are equal or not?
Equal.
That's it. Understood the content,
One
boys?
is not equal to each other.
It's okay. You have to do that by your own. Chalo, we are moving to question number 7. Chalo, who will read this?
Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form.
Simplest form, standard form, lowest form. I already taught you what we have to do.
Yes.
What we have to do, Sahil? નાના નંબરમાં રીરાઇટ કરવાનું છે. So -8/6 જ્યાં સુધી એકબીજા સાથે ડિવાઈડ થતું હોય ત્યાં સુધી કરે જ રાખવાનું.
Yes.
2 is the common table. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now can we divide this with each other? No. So this is our answer. See, this is our answer. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Any doubt with this sum, boys?
No.
Same
No,
with
sir.
25/45. So 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. 5 and 9 divided by each other now? No. So that is our answer. Look here. Understood?
Yes.
Simply cutting જ કરવાનું છે, કોઈ મેથડ નથી આમાં. Divide means simply cutting to each other. That's it. અહીંયા simplest form હોય. In other words, we can say standard form. In other third word, we can say lowest form.
Lowest.
All the content will be same. Am I correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Question
sir.
number 8. Chalo. Fill in the box correct symbol out of greater, smaller and equal to. હવે આ નો આવડે યાર.
આવડે.
Which one is the greater rational number? Which one is the smallest rational number? Now, -5/7 and 2/3. હવે common sense ચલાવવાનું. Though it is not equal, the denominator is not equal. Can you see here?
Yes. Denominator equal નથી.
તો આપણે LCM તો લેવું જ પડે.
Yes. LCM.
To check out, to compare, denominator should be equal. But એટલું મગજ વાપરવાનું, શું વાપરવાનું? કે first rational number is negative. Negative is always smaller than positive.
Yes.
વાત થાય પૂરી. નેગેટિવ ને પોઝિટિવ કોઈ દિવસ ઇક્વલ તો થવાના નથી. સો આ તો આવવાનું નથી કોઈ દિવસ. આવે ઈ કોઈ દિવસ? ના આવે.
આવે.
Why? Because positive and negative never can not be equal anytime. Are you getting? So this is directly we can say this one is greater than negative integer. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes.
Same way, rest of all the sums you have to do LCM and you have to calculate it.
Yes.
To compare, we have to see. First, I will do 4/5. And if I say -5/7, in this we cannot directly place which one is greater, which one is smaller. હવે આમાં એક common sense બીજી શું મૂકવાની છે ખબર છે? શું મૂકવાનું છે? ચલો કોણ કહેશે મને?
માઇનસ માઇનસ કેન્સલ થઈ જશે.
નો સુફિયાન. જો હવે હું તમને એક વસ્તુ બીજી કહું. If the denominator is same, for example, pi/7 and 3/7. Now, if I say which one is greater rational number?
5/7 is greater.
5/7 is greater. બરાબર છે? શું કામ? કેમ કે in this denominators are same. Understood or not?
Yes. Understood.
Understood? Very good. In the same way, if I say 7/5 and 7/3, now which one is greater?
We have to.
No, we will not check anything. We will say that જેમ denominator equal હતા અને મોટો number મોટો થતો હતો, when numerator is equal, at that time smaller number will be greater fraction, greater rational number.
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes. Understood.
સમજ પડ્યો કે ન પડ્યો?
Yes.
So you have to keep this thing in mind. So જ્યારે આવા કઈ question આવે ત્યારે logic વાપરી લેવાનું. At that time આખું બધું કરવા નહીં બેઠવાનું. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now 7 and 5, if you calculate for getting LCM like this, you will be getting 35 as your LCM. So if 5 has to reach up to 35, you have to multiply by 7, and 7 has to reach to 35, you have to multiply by 5. So minus 4 will be multiplied by 7, and minus 5 will be multiplied with 5. So over here, minus 28 upon 35. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And over here, minus 25 upon 35. So minus 28 is greater or minus 25 is greater?
25.
Sufyan, is it 25?
Yes, it is 25. Because in negative
Sufyan, I'm asking to Sufyan. You spoke 25. Is it 25?
No, minus 25.
Minus 25. In minus sign, the negative numbers, the smallest number will be the greater number. Have you got? Because the denominator we got is same. Now in numerator we can check out the smallest numerator in negative will be the greater number. Understood, everyone? So question number 2, rest of the sums will be your homework.
Yes.
Question 8. Okay?
Okay,
Chalo,
sir.
question number 9. Question number 9. Please read this question fast.
Which is greater in each of the following?
Again, the same question. Which is greater? So you have to calculate the same thing. 2
Yes.
upon 3. See, I'm doing this sum right here. Please check out how we have to do. So 6 will be the LCM. So after getting LCM, we have to multiply both with to make it 6. This will be also multiplied by 2, and this will be also multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4 upon 6, and over here 15 upon 6. So which you found greater? 15 upon 6. 15 upon 6 of whom? 5 upon 2. So therefore, 5 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 3. That's it. Any doubt with this?
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Sure.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
See. સરે કાંઈ ખોટું લખ્યું હોય તો કયો.
No.
Like fractions has to be converted. Like fractions ક્યારે થાય? When we take LCM. ત્યારે denominator same આવે. Is that clear?
Yes.
So you can do this all the sums, right?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 10. Oh, I'm so sorry. There is something new opened.
Write the following rational numbers in ascending order.
લ્યો, આ તો આવડવું જ જોઈએ બેટા.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Chalo. Is my voice clear to everyone?
Yes, clear.
Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
question number 10. Question number
Yes,
10.
sir.
Minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Ascending order means the smallest number will be
First.
the minus 3 upon 5 is the smallest only
Yes.
as compared to minus 2. As compared to minus 2, minus 1 is also smallest. Therefore, in a pattern malaki નાખવાનું છે. This is our answer.
Yes.
બોલો છે તકલીફ કોઈને?
No.
No.
In the same way, come to sum number 3. Sir, શું શીખવાડું? When denominator is different and numerators are same, numerator same હોય ત્યારે આપણે જોવાનું which one is the greatest fraction. So which one will be the greatest fraction?
Two. Minus 3 upon 2
હવે
is
જો
the
sum.
greatest.
Now listen. હવે what was the આવી રીતે 3 upon 7. Okay. 3
Yes.
upon 2 and 3 upon 4. તો આપણે એમ કહીએ કે 3 upon 2 will be the greatest fraction. Why? Because સર એમ શીખવાડ્યું કે ન્યુમરેટર જ્યારે સરખા હોય ત્યારે નાનો નંબર હોય ડિનોમિનેટરમાં એ સૌથી મોટો કહેવાય. Am I right?
Yes.
Then 3 upon 4 is the second greater and 3 upon 7 is the third greater. Understood? But when we have a negative sign in numerator, at that time greater number in denominator will be the greatest fraction. Ascending order માં સૌથી નાનો fraction -3 upon 2 થશે, then -3 upon 4 થશે, then -3 upon 7 થશે. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
સમજાયું કે નહીં? Your content, what I explained you is correct. Let me clear you. Your content was clear. Why? Because sir, આપણે 2 upon 7 હોય, 3 upon 7 હોય, and 5 upon 7 હોય. At that time we are checking the denominator. If it is equal, the smallest number will be the smaller number.
Yes.
Are you getting? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? But if it is negative sign, then this will be the smallest number. This will be the smallest number to -2. Are you
Yes,
getting? So એમાં ને એમાં ઊંધું નહીં થાય એવી ઈ જ વસ્તુ. If for example 3 upon 7, 2 and 4 હોઈ શકે. So when positive integer, this 3 upon 2 is always greater than 3 upon 7, and this is also greater than 3 upon 4. Are you getting? But
Yes.
when it is minus sign, તો માઇનસમાં જે સૌથી નાનો હશે એ સૌથી નાનો જ રહેશે in denominator. Is that clear? So this will be our answer. Any doubt with this question number 10? Boys,
No doubt.
No, sir.
so you are completed with exercise 9.1 at the present moment, and we will continue with our exercise 9.2 in our next lecture. Okay? Is that clear, boys?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself
Yes,
and
sir.
prepare your fair book and do all the sums one time in your rough book as well. Have a nice time, boys. Khuda
Okay,
Hafiz.
sir. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Sir, bye.
Sir, bye.
Sir, bye.